Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money, coins from Royal Match. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so coins are one of the most important currencies in game, and you can view your coin count by near your profile picture at the top. You can see I've currently got 1819 coins. So these can buy extra moves when you're about to lose. You can purchase boosters, and you can help build new areas faster. So there's a few different ways how to earn coins in this game. Now the main way to earn coins is by simply playing the game. So go ahead and click on play. Now if I want to go ahead and select boosters, I can, but I'm not going to for this demonstration. So basically beat level. So you get coins for every level you complete. Bonus coins are given for leftover moves. The more moves left, the more coins you can get. So keep that in mind. Now, the faster you win, the better your coin total as well. So try creating big combos like TNT plus Rocket or Disco Ball plus TNT to clear moves and tiles and help you finish with extra moves. Now, we can also open treasure chests as you play. You'll unlock star chests, which collect stars from levels, event chests, King's Cup, Dream Rush, etc., and team chests. So when your team hits certain milestones, these chests often contain hundreds or thousands of coins plus boosters. Now, we can also participate in events. So Royal Match runs frequent events where you can win big coin prizes. So the main four are King's Cup, Team Tournament, Sky Race, and Dream Rush. Ranking higher in these gives you huge coin recoins, sometimes up to around 10,000 in total. So as you can see, I just cleared this level 22, and you can see my reward was 25 coins. So I'm going to click continue, and 25 coins has gone to my total. Also, we've got daily rewards. I open the game every day to collect free coins, lives, or boosters. Sometimes you'll see special pop-ups or gift boxes offering free coins.